Hey, hi. Today we are going to see about deep hole drilling cycle. So, in other terms, we are called that Peck drilling cycle actually. So, we are going to see about the Peck drilling cycle. In my previous videos, we are seeing about a spot drilling cycle and boring bar cycle. So, what is the difference between the spot drilling cycle and Peck drilling cycle is the material removal rate in Peck drilling cycle is high because it is went to the longer distance. So what is the purpose of spot drilling is making a service hole for that further drilling hole. So in peg drilling we are making a pecking in the hole operation. Actually, if we are not able to give a peck, so in the effect of this absence of pecking, it will make some breakage of the tools due to improper chips removal from the hole. So that's why we are using that peck drilling cycle. So in most of the companies, for efficiency purpose, so they are using the spot drilling cycle for the soft material. So in hard material, definitely we need to use the peck drilling cycle. In other words, they are doing some efficient parameter. In pecking depth they are changed around 5 mm, 4 mm, it's like that. So it will increase the overall equipment effectiveness in the process. Okay, now we are going to see about the how uh, how the model program look like that. So we are going to see that. So from N1 to N8, as well as basic details about the tool and tool holders. So after that, tool number change. So what is the tool number? What is the command for that uh, drilling tool? So tool number 310, we need to change that. So after that, G15H12. So same as work coordinate system selection and its work coordinate. After that, it's a basic command for the reference return for avoiding the collisions. Then G56 is a Z a positive angle, and G90 is absolute command. And after that, datum shift, as well as it not generated by the cam software. Actually it is actually manually input into the program. So next one is where we want to make the hole, just a positioning in that position. So I'm giving a 50 and 50. After that, the speed rate is 600. So it is depends upon the cutting tool and workpiece material. So if you are giving 8000 for the drilling purpose, so it will easily get the chip of in the cutting edge of drilling tool. So then M03 is a clockwise cutting, and HADA is tool height offset and diametrical offset in A. So after that, Z100, it's an approach distance from the workpiece. So after that, G71 M53, it is a retract multiple holes, multiple planes. It is retract to R point, sorry, I point. So it's like that. M53 same as like that. And G83 is a peg drilling cycle actually. So I will detail explain about that. So after that, cycle cancel. G10 is datum shift cancel. After that, M05, it's a spindle stop, and M09 coolant off. G30 P4, it's a pocket reference return. So as well as some optional stop and program end. So the next one is work setup. So where we want to make a hole, is we want to make a hole at 50 mm from the work coordinate system, both x and y axis. So 10 mm drill diameter and roughness, they are asking some roughness. So the hole getting finished by the drill. The drill diameter is 12 mm. So part thickness will be a 20 mm. So it's a blind hole, not a through hole, it's a blind hole. So this is a command for the peg drilling cycle. So G83 is a deep hole drilling cycle or peg drilling cycle command. After that, G56 is a positive direction, X50 and Y50, where we want to make a hole that point, and Z minus 10, actually minus 12 actually. So minus 10 is in how much depth we want to make a hole. R3 is a retraction point. So after that, P0 double time at the bottom of the hole, and Q is a pecking depth, the 0.8 mm. Each and every pecking will goes into the 0.8 mm to the depth of the pot. So after that, it is retract to R point. So then feed rate, how much feed rate we want to move the tool during the cutting. So then HA is a tool offset number, and M52 return to I point. So this is a tool path movement. So first of all, the tool getting moved from the reference point to positioning point. After that, it is getting a approach point. After that, R point. Then after engaging. So after that, it is getting a material removal action is done happening. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it is very understand for you all.